Welcome to this video where I will be sharing some amazing hidden AI tools that can make your life a little easier. These tools are free to use and you don't even need to give your card details for their free version. In this video I won't just be telling you about the tools, but I will walk you through how to use them so that even non-technical user can benefit from them. So let's get started. First up is Perplexity AI. If you are tired of seeing ChatGPT with limited information of year 2021 only, then this tool is for you. Perplexity AI can give you information on the recent activities like who won FIFA 2022 or what the current price of Bitcoin is. This tool is based on GPT-3 just like ChatGPT. While ChatGPT is on GPT 3.5, Perplexity.ai is on GPT-3. They both uses natural language processing for answering people queries. It is a great tool to try out and all you have to do is to go on Google, type Perplexity AI and log in using your Gmail account or whatever fits best for you. Next up is Descript, an AI-based video editing software that's not like your regular editing software such as iMovie, Final Cut and Vinci. Descript is like editing a document. Once you upload your recording here, it will transcribe it automatically into texts. And as you edit the document, the video will get edited too. There is a learning curve for this tool, but the developers have made it easy for users to learn it quickly. If you are a content producer who regularly edit videos, give this tool a chance and you might never look back at your regular editing tools. You can try it for free by going to the Descript site, logging into your Gmail account, uploading the video or audio that you want to edit and waiting till it gets transcribed. Free. Toma AI is for those who regularly attend meetings or need to create presentation for their work. Making a presentation can be hectic and time consuming, but with Toma AI, all you need to do is to give it an overview of the presentation you want, and in second your presentation will be ready. This tool uses DALI 2 for generating images for the presentation and GPT-3 for understanding your needs. It is not incredible, but it is pretty good. You can try it for free by going to Toma AI site, creating an account, and you will receive 500 credits. From those 500 credits, 15 credits will be deducted for every presentation you make on the site. Tool number 4, Runaway. An AI tool that can boost your editing process. This tool can remove background with just a click, allowing you to easily switch out background in your video. It is precise and easy to use, and best of all, it is free. You can try it out by going to Runaway website and creating an account. They will give you 3 projects for free, meaning you can edit 3 videos without needing to provide credit card details. And that's it for these amazing AI tools that can help you with video editing, answering queries, and presentation making. If you have any further question or suggestion, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like and sub to see more videos about AI. Thanks for watching.